Many people find it difficult to stop eating sugar. It's in so many foods. But giving up sugar, even for a short time, can have a big impact on your health. This 30-day challenge is designed to help you take control of your sugar intake and experience the benefits firsthand. This isn't about deprivation, it's about making healthier choices. You can still enjoy delicious food without the added sugar. Remember, the goal is to reduce added sugars, not natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables. This challenge is about breaking free from sugar's hold and reclaiming your health. Are you ready to take on the challenge and transform your body from the inside out? The first few days are usually the toughest. You might experience intense cravings for sugary treats. This is completely normal. Your body is used to getting a regular sugar rush, and it's now adjusting to a new normal. You might feel a bit under the weather. Some people experience headaches, fatigue, or mood swings. These are temporary withdrawal symptoms that will subside as your body adapts. Remember, these initial challenges are a sign that your body is detoxing from sugar. Push through these early hurdles and you'll soon start reaping the rewards of a sugar-free lifestyle. As you reduce your sugar intake, your body undergoes remarkable changes. When you eat sugar, your body releases insulin to process it. Consistently high sugar intake keeps insulin levels elevated, leading to insulin resistance. This can increase your risk of type 2 diabetes and other health problems. By reducing sugar, you help your body regulate insulin more effectively. This leads to more stable blood sugar levels, reducing energy crashes and cravings. Your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of relying on sugar. This metabolic shift is key to weight loss and improved body composition. These adaptations might seem like a lot is happening at once, but they are all part of your body's natural healing process. You're on your way to a healthier, more balanced you. After the initial withdrawal phase, you'll likely notice a significant boost in your energy levels. This is because stable blood sugar levels provide a consistent energy source throughout the day, unlike the sugar highs and lows you might be used to. Many people report feeling sharper and more focused. Sugar can lead to brain fog and difficulty concentrating. By eliminating it, you're allowing your brain to function at its best. This newfound energy can transform your daily life. You'll find it easier to power through tasks, stay active, and enjoy your day to the fullest. Section 5. Sleep soundly. Improve sleep patterns and quality. Now, you might not realize it, but sugar can interfere with your sleep patterns. It disrupts the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. By reducing sugar, you're promoting better sleep quality. You'll likely find it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. This means waking up feeling more refreshed and energized. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. By improving your sleep, you're setting the stage for a healthier, more vibrant you. Section 6. Mood makeover, from irritability to calmness. Sugar can wreak havoc on your mood. The rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar can lead to irritability, anxiety, and even depression. As you reduce your sugar intake, you'll likely experience a more balanced mood. This is because stable blood sugar levels support a calmer, more stable emotional state. You'll be less prone to mood swings and more emotionally resilient. This positive shift in mood can have a ripple effect on your relationships and overall quality of life. Section 7. Shedding pounds, fat loss and body composition changes. One of the most noticeable benefits of reducing sugar is often weight loss. This is because sugar is high in calories and low in nutrients. By eliminating it, you're naturally reducing your calorie intake. Additionally, the metabolic shift towards burning fat for fuel further contributes to weight loss. You may also notice a reduction in bloating and water retention, leading to a leaner appearance. While weight loss is a common outcome, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different. The amount of weight you lose will depend on various factors such as your starting weight, activity level, and overall diet. Section 8. Long-term benefits. Maintaining a sugar-free lifestyle. The benefits of reducing sugar extend far beyond the initial 30 days. By adopting a long-term approach to low-sugar living, you're making a significant investment in your health. Studies have shown that reducing sugar can lower your risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. It can also improve your skin health, boost your immune system, and even increase your lifespan. Remember, it's not about eliminating sugar completely, but about making conscious choices and enjoying sugary treats in moderation. Section 9. Your journey to a healthier you. Embracing a balanced diet. Congratulations on completing the 30-day sugar-free challenge. You've taken a significant step towards a healthier you. Now it's about maintaining these positive changes by embracing a balanced lifestyle. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs without the added sugar. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about making sustainable changes that support your long-term health and well-being. Start your journey today and experience the transformative power of a sugar-free life.